Now we're gonna go to a place that a lot of people call down under. Somewhere down under. So who thinks they know where the land down under is?
Australia?
Australia, good, Australia, good. Now,
Having youth create a project based on their interests is a great way to give youth a voice in the learning. As the capstone, youth need to engage others in what they learned. Watch as Kevin, a frontline staff for an out-of-school program, works with youth to create a game based on their study of animals from Australia. At the end of the week, youth will go out into the community and engage people and share what they have learned. Notice effective tools youth use to ensure success: scientific journals, group collaboration, time, and space to work on their projects and materials.
so this week we're going to be learning about different Australian animals, which we have here at the zoo, of course, so you guys will see that, but also about Australian culture. We're going to be learning about things called boomerangs, those things you throw. We're going to be learning about all sorts of cool stuff. But you guys will be keeping notes about what we're going to be learning about, and you guys are going to be putting that on a poster. Does that make sense? So what things do you think would make a good poster? What would be good to have on a poster or a presentation, Carmen?
Maybe we could use Australian slang.
A slang, right? What else makes, if you were to show a poster about anything, not just Australia, what would you want on the poster? What would you want?
Animals.
Facts. Raise your hand if you think it needs facts. I think it needs facts. Good. What else? Yes.
Pictures of animals.
Pictures. You guys want something to be eye-catching, right? Catch people's attention. If they're walking by, they're gonna be like, oh. So during the week, I want you guys to be taking careful notes about the different things we learn each day. Be thinking about the animals that you really like. Important facts. Does that sound like a good plan?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to be looking for Australian animals, all right? And then once we get to one, you're going to be like, I found one. And then we're each going to stop and we're going to write down our observations. That means we're going to be looking at the habitat. We're going to be looking at what the animal looks like. You could draw pictures or write words. You're going to think about what it eats. Like, does it have sharp teeth like the dingo? Or does it have a beak? Because we're going to use that in our presentations, our poster boards, okay? Do you think this would help your poster or not help your poster? It would help? Okay, Felipe, why don't you go grab some scissors and a piece of glue, okay? And then you're just working on making it attractive to the viewers, right?
Or I was gonna use them to try to draw Tasmanian devil.
Oh, so you want to hand draw them?
Like I wanted like to hand draw them, then put the actual picture under.
I love it. Good job.
You guys want to play the game? All right.
Okay, you need to guess an animal, and when you pick an animal, then guess if it's an herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore.
So, what do you think? Dingo, it's like a coyote. What do you think it eats?
Meat.
Make sure you guys think.
All right, so that would make it a carnivore.
Listen to you guys.
You want to guess one? What do you think a camel eats?